Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Slack with WhatsApp to centralize your customer chats and team communications in one powerful workspace. First, choose and install an integration tool. Since Slack and WhatsApp don't have a native one-click button yet, you'll need to use a bridge like 2Chat, Social Intents, or Zapier. Go to the Slack app directory. Search for WhatsApp and select a highly rated integration tool. Click Add to Slack and follow the prompts to authorize the app. These apps act as a translator between the two platforms. In 2026, most of these apps allow you to connect a standard WhatsApp number or a business API account by simply scanning a QR code, much like you do with WhatsApp Web. Once the app is installed in your Slack workspace, you need to connect your actual phone line. Open the app's settings, usually found under the Apps section in your Slack sidebar, and click Connect Number. Use your phone to scan the QR code provided on the screen. Once authorized, you'll see your number listed as active. At this stage, you can also choose which specific Slack channel, like #sales or #support, you want your incoming WhatsApp messages to flow into. Send a test WhatsApp message from a different phone to your connected business number. The message should pop up instantly in your designated Slack channel. To reply, simply hover over the message and start a thread. In 2026, most integrations are thread-based, meaning your reply in the Slack thread is sent back to the customer as a WhatsApp message. This keeps your main channel clean while maintaining a full history of every customer interaction. And that's pretty much it. To integrate Slack with WhatsApp in 2026, install a third-party bridge app from the Slack app directory, link your phone by scanning a QR code, and route your messages to a specific channel. Once set up, you can manage all your WhatsApp customer service directly through Slack threads, saving your team from constant app switching. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.